Welcome back to my channel, and it's Giselle cooking this time. Yay! Put it in here. Giselle is cooking breakfast.
Do we put a lid on it? Do we have a lid?
Yes. Mine is just cooking this chorizo, Philippine chorizo. This is the chorizo. So how did you find this camping spot? Do you like
It's
it?
nice and cool at night. So it's like having the aircon on.
Yes, we don't need aircon for now. It's winter time without the snow. What are you doing?
It's not going in.
Is this your first time using the pot belly? We should have in your home.
I like it because
It's a novelty. Do you want to blow it? It's gonna go to the fried rice.
oh, blow it off the front.
Blow the fried rice. That'll give it a smoky flavor.
There we go. Nice and hot.
Wow.
Good. I don't know how to stop.
That is broken. We only have to take out the battery and that's it. It keeps going and going.
I need to stop it.
Stop it. Your chorizo. You have to poke it now. Poke it with the fork.
What the heck? Honey! Did I park all of them?
Yes, you have to get rid of the oil.
This is scary.
It is.
Okay, I think that's good. I think I parked all of them.
That's good.
So should we heat up a fry pan for the eggs?
Yes.
When you break your eggs and crack it on a flat surface, not on a side.
Okay.
Do this.
Wow.
How many?
I used the fork to crack it.
You don't need a fork, so
Okay.
and more eggs.
We need more eggs.
Yeah. 2 more.
Okay.
Because you're gonna have one.
Yeah, I'll have one.
Oh, this one's not cracking. And then one more.
And that's the egg. It's the Gordon Ramsay inspired egg. I like your Crocs, Giselle.
Thank you.
Mine is almost had it Thai.
Oh, you should get these ones. They're a bit more durable.
Where did you buy these?
And
Anaconda.
same with the socks. So
Anaconda
to keep your
socks.
feet warm. And it's-
Oh, look at that.
Don't forget your
Salt.
seasoning.
Mm. So Mixie is your cat, not your mom's cat.
Yeah.
Oh, the poor Mixie. Yeah. How's the fried rice?
Definitely fried.
Your uncle was complaining before that, oh, not enough frying. Because I did a fried rice video. That will be like more than enough.
Do you like yours runny?
Yes.
The Uncle Pat likes his flipped, hey?
Yeah. I just like how you did the runny.
I might put these two. Quick, call the boys.
They're waiting, look.
That one's
Perfect
got
egg.
no white.
Is this your uncle's one?
Yeah. Are you having one?
Yeah. I'm just gonna have one because I have the chorizo. So our Pinoy breakfast is ready. Now we have Casey and Giselle. Thank you for cooking, Giselle.
No worries.
So did you like slice?
No, that's tomorrow.
Over there.
Okay. Salt.
Salt, pepper, it's all there. Thank you, Giselle and Casey. Now it's shout out time. Hi, Barney. Joyphil, Jeros, Jason, Ellie, Aliyah, Kendry, and of course, Nang Jocelyn from Banawa, Cebu, Philippines. Thank you so much for watching all my videos, and please continue to support my channel and take care. God bless. See you in my next vlog.